how to change clock icon on iPhone home screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add the clock icon on your home screen, tap hold anywhere on your screen and until the app starts to jiggle. Now tap on the edit option on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the add widget option. You will then see the option for a clock. Just in case if the clock option is not visible, you can simply scroll down to the app library and you will see the clock option. Tap on the clock option and then scroll through and choose the clock that you find the best and of your preference. Once done, tap on the add widget option in order to add the widget to your home screen, and with this, as you can see, the widget has been added to my home screen. You can then go ahead and increase or decrease the size if you want, and once done, simply tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and with this, the widget will be added. So this was about how you can change the clock icon on iPhone home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.